My name is Prabhat Kumar Singh. I'm a second year undergraduate student of the Department of Metallurgical and Materials Engineering and on its BTech course. I'm a boarder of Vidyasagar Hall of Residence. I'm from Varanasi. I'm contesting for the post of General Secretary, Sports and Games. Technology Student Gymkhana, Indian Institute of Technology Kharagpur for the academic session 2022-2023.
Why did you mention your hometown and what is special about Varanasi? Why did you mention your hometown and what is special about Varanasi?
Answer my question.
Why did you mention your hometown?
Sir, my hometown has played a vital role in inculcating various moral values in me. That's why I mentioned my hometown in my introduction.
Devki, Prabodh, just tell us, should we leave? You are not listening to us. Should we leave? Should we leave?
We should provide fair opportunity to the current candidate. Ask questions to him.
Okay.
Sir.
My question was, state your 3 weaknesses since you are presenting your identity here. State your 3 weaknesses.
Sir, can you please repeat your question?
State your 3 weaknesses, bro. 3 weaknesses बता दे. अबे 3 weaknesses भाई. 3 weaknesses. State your 3 weaknesses. इतनी बार इंग्लिश में.
3 कमियां बता अपनी 3 कमियां.
Sir, my main weakness is I procrastinate my basic opportunities of my life, following the passion of my duties.
Why did you mention your hall of residence in your introduction?
Sir, to contest for the post of General Secretary, Sports and Games, Technology Student Gymkhana, Indian Institute of Technology Kharagpur. One should be attached to one of the hall of residence of IIT Kharagpur. That's why I mentioned my hall of residence in my introduction.
Prabodh, you said that you are from the Department for Metallurgical and Material Science Engineering. Kindly let me know, when was this department incorporated in Indian Institute of Technology Kharagpur? Kindly let me know, when was the department incorporated in Indian Institute of Technology Kharagpur?
Sir, this question is irrelevant to my candidature.
You are saying that it is irrelevant. Basically, you are saying your department is irrelevant. Is this your candidature?
No follow-ups on introduction questions. Any other panelist?
Prabodh, you stated that your weakness is procrastination. Is it a desirable candidate? Is it
Go
desirable?
ahead with your statement of purpose.
One question,
Go ahead
Prabodh.
with your statement
What is
of
your view on the candidates who's
one
contesting
question.
with you and not
He has
listening to the
answered-
senators
he
right
has
now?
answered the question.
I don't
Do you
think
think
there's
he's
a follow-up
worthy
question for
enough?
introduction.
Do you think he's
There is no
worthy
follow-up
enough?
question for the
Answer my
introduction. There is no
question.
follow-up question for the
Do you
introduction.
think he's
I
worthy
answered
enough?
the question which you have asked me here.
Prabodh, go ahead with your statement of purpose.
The coveted office of General Secretary, Sports and Games, Technology Student Gymkhana requires immense level of passion and dedication. I have taken multiple leadership roles which have shaped me into who I am today. From my childhood, I was involved in a plethora of sports activities. I was captain of my school's cricket team and led it into semi-final in inter-school cricket tournament. I co-organized volleyball, cricket, kabaddi tournament in my hometown, Varanasi, where we saw mass participation of more than 40 teams combined.
Until the crowd is sitting, we are not going to continue this.
After arriving to Indian Institute of Technology, Kharagpur, I was the member of organizing team of Inter-Hall Athletics Gymkhana Championship 2022. I was a part of gold winning team of Athletics Vidyasagar Hall of Residence. Currently, I am serving as Secretary, Athletics and Badminton, Vidyasagar Hall of Residence.
Prabodh, the convention is to speak your complete SOP and then move back. Okay. Moving back means that you
I,
have completed your
along with
first.
General Secretary, Sports and Games, Vidyasagar Hall of Residence, manage the budget of rupees 30,000. During my tenure, the athletics team of Vidyasagar Hall of Residence and badminton team of Vidyasagar Hall of Residence bagged the gold medal in Inter-Hall Gymkhana Championship 2022. I, along with my concerned secretaries of my Hall of Residence, organized the event of Vidyasagar Premier League, which was a 5-day cricket tournament which involved the participation of more than 12 teams from the different wings of Vidyasagar Hall of Residence. I, along with my well-met secretaries, organized intra-hall cricket tournament and kite flying competition on the occasion of 73rd Republic Day. I was the captain of my 180-degree case study challenge. I was the part of my data analytics team in inter-hall data analytics competition. I'm a part of National Service Scheme. Despite being not in National Sports Organization, due to my rigorous efforts and dedication for sports, I've made into athletics team of Indian Institute of Technology, Kharagpur. If given the opportunity, I believe that my prior experience will be helping in fulfilling my roles. I have been involved in managing my various positions of responsibilities, extracurricular activities, and my time managing skills. I have demonstrated managerial and time managing qualities throughout my academic career. Thus, I believe I have the potential to serve the community as General Secretary, Sports and Games, Technology Student Gymkhana, Indian Institute of Technology, Kharagpur for the academic session 2022-2023.
Pramod, what was your 180 DC case study problem statement and how is it relevant to the candidature?
Prabodh, you belong to the athletics community of IIT Kharagpur. I have a simple question.
Answer my question, Pramod. What was the problem
Prabodh, I have a
statement
simple
of 180
question. You
DC
belong to the athletics
case
community of
study?
IIT Kharagpur.
What was
Kindly
the problem
let me
statement
know
of 180
what other
DC case
IITs
study
have a
and how is it
synthetic
relevant
track
to your
apart from
candidature?
IIT Kharagpur.
What
I have a
was
simple
the
factual
problem
question.
statement of
Peacefully answer this
180 DC
question.
case study?
Kindly let me
And
know.
why
sir.
have you mentioned it in your candidature?
Case study challenge. And I have named Apna Club was supposed to get a solution for to increase its reach in consumer in the local markets in B2B company.
Tell me about the new
Prabodh, I'm
initiative that
peacefully
you have
asking a
taken in your
question.
state.
Prabodh, I'm
at
asking a
IIT
question,
Kharagpur.
dude.
Tell
Prabodh,
me
you
about the new
belong to the
initiative that
athletics
you have
community of
taken
IIT
while you
Kharagpur.
stayed at IIT
Prabodh, you
Kharagpur.
belong to the
Tell me
athletics
about the
community
new
of IIT
initiative that you have
Kharagpur.
taken while you
I'm
stayed
asking
at
a
IIT
simple
Kharagpur.
question.
Tell
I'm
me
asking a
about
simple
the new
question.
initiative that you have
Similar to
taken
the
your
synthetic
state
track of
wide
IIT Kharagpur.
Please
Please
complete
let
the
me
answer.
know.
Please
Prabodh,
answer my
Prabodh,
question.
similar to the
Please
athletics track
answer
of
my
IIT
question.
Kharagpur.
Tell
Kindly
me
let
about the
me
new
know
initiative that
what
you have
other
taken while you
IITs
stayed at
have
IIT
synthetic
Kharagpur.
track.
Tell me
What
about
are
the
the
new
other IITs
initiative
which have
that you have
synthetic track?
taken.
Until
Tell me
everyone
about a
thinks
new
this is not
initiative
going to
that you have taken
Until everyone
while you
sits,
have
this is
stayed
not
at IIT
going to
Kharagpur.
continue. Until everyone sits, this is not going to continue.
I'm peacefully asking a question,
Like,
Prabodh.
until
Even I am
everyone
asking
sits, this is not
peacefully.
going to
Even I am
continue.
asking peacefully.
Prabodh, Prabodh, one
Pramod,
question.
He's
Prabodh,
not
tell
going
me.
to answer also until everyone
Pramod,
sits.
please answer my question.
यार, I request you,
Pramod,
dude. I beg you to answer my
Pramod,
question.
please
नहीं पता
answer
तो
my
बोल दे
question.
भाई.
Tell me about a new
Why are you
initiative
sitting here
that
right
you have
now?
taken while you
Sir, during my stay in Indian Institute of Technology, Kharagpur, I, with my fellow secretaries,
Hello.
conducted the event
Bravo.
of intra-hall cricket tournament in Vidyasagar Hall Residence on the occasion of
अरे रुक
73rd
जा भाई.
Republic Day.
Prabodh, answer.
Pramod,
Please
tell me
answer to our
about a new
questions as well,
initiative that
Prabodh.
you have taken while you
We as panelists are trying to request to you to please answer to our questions, right? Please consider this request.
He has been listening
Please,
to all the
please
questions
follow
and
the
answering
request
them as well.
and please answer to the questions we are trying to ask right
Tell
now.
me about a new initiative that you have taken during your stay at IIT.
Prabodh, I answered a question peacefully.
Tell us-
You
tell
belong
us
to the athletics community of IIT Kharagpur.
Tell me about
There
the
exists a synthetic track in the Gyan Ghosh Stadium. Kindly let me know what all other IITs have a synthetic track. This is a factual and a simple question. Have you heard it? Kindly let me know.
So can you again repeat your question?
I am peacefully asking a question. You belong to the athletics community. There exists a synthetic track in the Gyan Ghosh Stadium. Kindly let me know what all are the other IITs which have the synthetic track.
Sir, now I am unable to recall the data of this answer. It
You
has
are
been-
unable to recall
it
the
has
name.
been stored
You are
in the
unable to
document
recall the name. So
that
this is the
various
answer you
IITs
give.
have synthetic track, but Indian Institute of
question,
Technology
one
Kharagpur
belonging to the
has the
athletics
best
community.
synthetic track among
Belong-
all the
Prabodh, in which
IITs.
category have
Belonging
you
to the
participated
athletics
in
community,
athletics?
you don't know this.
And
Is this your
how
casual
many-
nature?
No personal
Any
comments,
involvement
one
in
question per panelist. Yeah. Other panelists, questions?
Prabodh,
Prabodh,
what is the
Prabodh,
criteria to
in which
award
category have you
Ankit Third
participated in
Trophy?
athletics? In which category have you participated in athletics?
Sir, I participated in seniors category in Inter-Hall Athletics Gymkhana Championship 2022.
Prabodh,
Go ahead.
what is the criteria to award Ankit Third Trophy, which comes under the domain of sports and games?
Criteria for Ankit Dhar Trophy.
Sir,
Don't say that you are unable to recall. Don't say that.
Do you even know anything?
We will answer the question.
Okay,
Let him answer.
Yeah. Okay, fine.
sir, I'm unaware of this fact.
Okay, Prabodh.
Okay.
Prabodh,
Like,
Prabodh.
one question per
You
panelist.
mentioned that
One
you are a
question per
part of
panelist.
NSS
One
team.
question per
I want to ask
panelist.
something.
I
I want to ask a question. I want to ask a question. I want to ask a question.
one question. We let him
I'm
answer the
stated
question.
I want to ask this.
He mentioned that he was a part of NSS team of IIT Kharagpur. Then why did you make the change to athletics?
Sir, I'm a part of National Service Scheme. Despite not in National Sports Organization, due to my passion, respect and dedication for sports and due to my rigorous efforts, I have made into the athletics team of Indian Institute of Technology, Kharagpur.
Sir, a simple question. What is
Like,
the name of the annual
Narendra, your
sports magazine
question,
of IIT Kharagpur?
one question per panelist.
Just one liner answer, a factual
Okay,
question.
your question was
What
over.
is the name of the sports magazine of
Okay.
Indian?
Two questions, one from Aryan, one from Narendra. Okay, Narendra, you go
What
first.
is the name
Prabodh?
of sports magazine
Prabodh?
of IIT Kharagpur? What is the name of
Prabodh?
sports magazine of IIT Kharagpur?
Narendra, put forward your question.
Prabodh, in your SOP, it is clearly shown that you are a good
What
team
is the
player.
name
You,
of the
your
sports
involvement
magazine at IIT Kharagpur?
is only your involvement is only as a player. Clarify that
Prabodh, what is the name of sports magazine of IIT Kharagpur?
Prabodh, Prabodh,
Let him answer the name of sports magazine of IIT Kharagpur. A one-word answer.
Prabodh, how can you sure that you are a good leader? Your SOP clearly shows that you are a team player.
Sir, what is this happening? He is not answering us in.
Sir, you said one question from this side and one question from that side. He's not answering our questions.
The audience can judge. The audience can judge. We have a reasonably educated audience. I'm sure if they hear an incomplete answer, they can judge for themselves. Answer to which question? Answer to which question? Answer to which question? Can you repeat that?
Okay. Annual Sport Magazine of IIT Kharagpur. Like, we request the panelists, while you are asking questions, also, like, kindly be generous enough to let him answer. This is not something we need to tell you.
Fine.
Okay? Give him an at least. You take the opportunity.
Ladies and gentlemen, the question has been asked. He will answer.
Sir, the annual sports magazine name is Sankalp.
How many editions of it have been named?
No follow. Prabodh, Prabodh,
Excuse
In-
me.
one question, sir. Last question. Prabodh, Prabodh, in your SOP, mostly we show you participated in the teams as a player. How can you be sure that you will be a good leader?
Sir, from my childhood, I was involved in a plethora of sports activities. I was the captain of my school's cricket team and led it into inter-school cricket tournament, which shows my leadership skills as well as qualities. I am currently serving as Secretary Athletics and Badminton in Vidyasagar Hall of Residence. During my tenure, the Athletics and Badminton team of Vidyasagar Hall of Residence bagged the gold medal in Inter-Hall Gymkhana Championship 2022.
Sir,
Prabodh,
just
put
last
forward your
question.
proposals.
Sir,
Put forward
sir,
your
just last
proposals.
question. Just
No, he
Last question,
already
sir.
asked a question. He
Last
already asked
question.
a question. Put forward your proposals.
last question.
One question.
What was the name of recreational event organized for the inter-IIT contingent in the year 2018-19? And why what is discontinued?
Put forward your proposals. The time is up.
Question का answer.
Put
Answer,
forward your
answer, answer,
proposals.
answer. अरे answer. Devji answer यार. Answer. Sir question हो गया answer. Answer.
Before you read out the proposals,
Sir answer.
do you wish to answer the question or read the and answer the
Sir, we
proposal?
asked a question. That was the last
Or do
question.
you
We
wish
need an
not
answer.
to answer the question and answer the go
And you said that he's going to answer it, sir. Sir, you were the one who validated that the answer is going to be there.
जनता जवाब
Let
चाहती
him- let
है.
him-
These are the things we expect our future general
let him
secretaries to
speak.
know.
Sir, the
Please let him
candidature is
answer.
irrelevant if he's not known of this fact.
Please let him answer.
I believe it is
let
irrelevant.
him
He
speak.
should sit right now and go to his room and sleep.
My proposal for General Secretary, Sports and Games, Technologist and Gymkhana, Indian Institute of Technology, Kharagpur, for the academic session 2022-2023 year. My first proposal is outdoor fitness stations. COVID pandemic has disrupted our lifestyle to an extent that physical fitness has taken a backseat and have forced us to live a sedentary lifestyle. With steps being taken to restore the normalcy of the pre-COVID era, it is impressive to study these steps that they contribute to to the general well-being of the population. There will be 7 fitness stations in total with a total circumference of approximately 1 kilometer. Each station will focus on different muscle group of aspect of personal fitness. Each fitness station will have dedicated equipment as listed below. Leg station, core station, arm station, jumping station, push-up stations, flexibility development stations. My second proposal is conducting in-house tournament for inter-IIT practice. Our inter-IIT team need to regularly compete with other talented athletes, teams to be done their skills. Owing to several constraints, logistical and otherwise, it is not always feasible for our team to regularly travel for practice matches and tournaments. I hence propose conducting practice matches with our campus against other district and state level teams. My third proposal is establishment of Sports Alumni Association. Ever since the onset of the pandemic, a distance has emerged between our experienced seniors alumni and the junior batches. Bridging this gap would allow our players to receive the guidance they need to push their game to the next level.
Prabodh, we already have gym in IIT Kharagpur. Why do you think
proposal,
that there
you have
should be
only
extra
taken the
workstations?
responses of your hall
Prabodh,
residents. And
we already
even
have
that
gym
seems fake.
in IIT Kharagpur. Why
your
do you
third-
think there
in
is
your
a
third
need of
paragraph,
extra
there is
workstations?
Both of
total-
your questions are cancelled. No more questions. Others.
अच्छा ठीक है ठीक है ठीक है
Others.
I-
Okay, let him ask, then I'll ask.
No,
As you
both,
know-
both of your questions are
As you know that in
cancelled.
IIT Kharagpur that weather is not often and it rains for a long time, don't you think the equipments will be rusted and damaged?
Sir, can you please repeat the question again?
As you know that in IIT Kharagpur that the weather is not often and it rains heavily for a long time, don't you think that equipments will be rusted and damaged? How will you maintain the equipments?
Sir, please repeat it again.
How will you manage the equipments like maintenance?
Sir, I had a detailed discussion with the concerned physical training instructors and various alumni of the sports and games community of Indian Institute of Technology, Kharagpur. And the instruments which I have mentioned in my proposal have a good quality instruments and are free to rusting. So they require less maintenance and they can sustain the natural disorders.
Prabodh, now answer my question. In the groundwork of your first proposal, you have only taken the response of only your halls. And even that seems fake. In the last pie graph, there is the percentage is 89 and 21. That is 110%.
So is that a fake graph? 89 and 21.
One question at a time.
And what is your
One
view on
question.
the voters of your
Again,
whole
all the
child
questions will be cancelled.
Senator?
If
Both
this is the case, all the
question
questions
is
will be cancelled.
Can you repeat your question again?
Okay. In the groundwork of your first proposal, you have only taken responses from your hall residents, right? And even that seems fake. In the third pie graph, you have the total percentage is 110%. 89 plus 21. It is a fake pie graph. Fake.
Which shows no groundwork, to be very honest.
One person at a time.
This is no
Sir,
ground.
I conducted this survey in my hall of residence because to start any survey, we should take a small sample space. That's why I have conducted in my in my proposal and stop putting false allegations on me.
Okay, Prabodh, you mentioned that you need.
refer to your sheet.
Hello, Prabodh.
हमारे पास है.
As mentioned, there will be no follow-up, please. Okay, Prabodh.
Everyone can
Why
see
do
that.
you need
One
this?
question, one question per time.
Hello,
Abhishek, go
Prabodh.
ahead with your
Okay,
question.
why do you need this equipment when there is already the presence of gym in IIT Kharagpur? Why do you need these workstations?
Sir, in gym, there is a problem for people accommodation. And there are various exercises which cannot be performed in the gyms, like jumping exercise as well as explosive exercise. That's why there is a need of outdoor fitness stations so that every player of various sports community of sports and games can continue their fitness at every month, at every time.
In your
Acha,
first
Prabodh, I'm
proposal,
asking a question peacefully.
Your proposal is
Prabodh, I'm
biased
asking a
toward
question
athletics.
peacefully. Let me ask a question
I
first.
asked the
Let
question
me ask a
first.
question first.
I asked the
Both
question
of you will
first.
be given opportunity. Himanshu.
Okay. Chalo, Prabodh, I have a
If
very
any one of the other panelists speaks, the question will be cancelled.
Okay.
One panelist at a time.
Prabodh, in your second proposal, conducting in-house tournaments for inter-IT practice, you have mentioned invited teams will be provided transportation via bus. What is the groundwork? Who is the professor in charge of the automobile section of IIT Kharagpur, and have you contacted him? Who is the professor in charge? Answer that first. Professor in charge of the automobile section, and have you contacted him?
Sir, I had a detailed discussion with our concerned physical training instructor and the General Secretary Sports and Games, and they have approved this proposal.
Who's the professor in charge? My question is
There is
simple.
nothing like
Who's the
automobile
professor in
section,
charge
yaar.
of automobile section? Sir, he's not answering. My question is,
And all
Himanshu,
the
there is
data
no one-
which I
nothing
mentioned
like
in my
automobile
proposal,
professor
section.
in
I have
charge.
to date.
IIT
Devki,
Kharagpur,
can you
first
explain the
clear the
question?
facts.
Professor in charge of
Question,
automobile
Umang.
section. Kingshuk sir, professor in charge of automobile
In
section.
your
That's my
first
simple
proposal,
question.
your
Professor
first
in charge of
proposal is
automobile
biased
section.
towards the
In charge
athletics
of
team.
automobile.
Professor in charge of the automobile section. You need to consult him.
भाई नाम पूछेंगे तो डिपार्टमेंट बोलेगा क्या?
Vandana, it's my turn.
आप check कर लो ERP पे.
Sir, she said it, sir. It's my turn.
Umang, your
In your first proposal, your proposal is biased toward athletics
Umang.
team. Let me complete. In your first proposal, it is biased toward athletics team.
If you-
How can you take impartial decision if you become the General Secretary Sports and Games?
So can you again repeat your question?
In your first proposal, you are biased towards athletics team.
Sir,
How
we are
can
still
you take
waiting for an
impartial
answer.
decision when you become General Secretary Sports and Games?
Sir, in my proposal, I have not been biased to the athletics team of Indian Institute of Technology, Kharagpur, because every player is an athlete itself. To become a player, the player should become first athlete, then it becomes a player. So athletics is inbuilt in every sports person. So I have not been biased to the athletics team of IIT Kharagpur. And please,
Prabodh, in your proposal too, where have you taken the accommodation of players?
Sir, we should have a question they asked. Prabodh, you
Prabodh,
mentioned
in
that you are
proposal
going
two,
to set up
where
7
is the
stations.
accommodation of
Prabodh, you
players will
mentioned
be
you are
taken?
going to
Ma'am,
set up 7 stations. Can you identify the spots
Prabodh,
along
answer my
2.2
question.
where you are going to set up
In your
those stations?
proposal too, you have mentioned where will be the
Prabodh,
accommodation
you
of
mentioned
players
you
will
are
be
going
taken?
to set up 7 stations.
Answer the question,
ma'am,
Prabodh.
in my second proposal, I mentioned that the teams of local sporting
not
clubs
answering, sir,
and the
he's not
district teams will
answering.
be called so they can complete their match in a day and they can go to their respective destination. That's why there is no need of lot of accommodations to facilities to make available to them.
Prabodh,
last
you have
question.
mentioned that you are going to set up 7 stations along 2.2. Can you please tell me who are the concerned authority you are going to discuss the plan, and have you identified those 7 spots?
Sir, I had a talk with the concerned physical training instructors and the outdoor fitness stations will be installed in the vicinity of Technology Stream Gymkhana so that all the members of Technology Stream Gymkhana who are from different
question was
residents
not there.
can
Time is up.
access
Thank you,
and
Prabodh.
continue their
The
practice.
question was, who was
The
the
proposal
concerned
already
authority
exists. What's new in
to
it?
install,
Prabodh,
to
Pramod.
install, not to discuss,
In proposal
to
two.
install.
Pramod,
Pramod, the question
Thank
was
you,
to
everyone.
install. यार thank you नहीं
This
यार.
marks the end of
यार,
the
questions के तो answer दोगे ना यार,
statement
ऐसे
of
थोड़ी
purpose
चले
for the
जाओगे.
candidate
What about the
contesting for
questions,
General
dude?
Secretary Sports and Games.
What about
All
the
best to
questions?
3 of you.
Devki, this is not at all fair, yaar.